Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex and this is Lamu Tours and Travel. Let's go to Utamaduni Nature Park. Utamaduni Nature Park, as you can see behind my back. Is it behind?
Yeah.
Yes. And we are going to see animals like this big-headed elephant, crocodile.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We have
it's
crocodile, we
beautiful.
have ostrich,
Yeah.
we have what else?
What else do you have?
Yeah, we have tortoise.
Uh-huh.
We have monkeys.
Monkeys.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
python.
Python.
Yeah,
Big snake.
big snake.
Oh, wow.
We have guinea pigs.
Tonyoro.
Tonyuru.
Tonyuru.
Yes.
Okay.
Panya Ulaya kwa lugha ya Kiswahili.
Panya Ulaya katika lugha ya Kiswahili.
Yes.
Okay.
So welcome to Utamaduni Nature Park.
As you subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Our contact number is 0722424941.
Great. How did I tell you?
0722424941.
Very good.
Good.
This is their signboard, Utamaduni Nature Park and Resort. Then we have that particular ground, Sleeping Warrior Mountain. You have Eagles Point Camp, where you can camp. Those are all buildings for Eagles Point Camp. And then their contact is 0719215135. Welcome and subscribe to my YouTube channel.